Quick video. Anthony, tell Mama and Abuela how you like your first snow.
Oh, Tony!
And Brendan, how do you like yours? Tell them what you feel.
Look at that face. That face says it all.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, honey. Yep. Did you get in your face? Cold, huh?
Delicious snow, huh?
Get it in your face, my lovey. Oh yeah, everybody's happy.
All right.
Brandon, what you crying about now, buddy? Come on, baby boo. Oh, he just wiped his face and got snow in his face.
He's got frozen boogie.
Ah.
Okay. All right. I'm not sure if it's colder than Jackie. He doesn't like.
Both. Tony, what are you doing? Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
He rubs his face, he gets cold.
I know. Meanwhile, Tony's over here burying himself in it.
He's enjoying it?
Yeah, he's scooping the snow into himself. He's like scooping it onto his lap.
Sit. Alright, Mom, if you want to hold him. Oh, he's got boogies in my mouth. Anthony, what are you trying to do?
Aw, Brandon's having fun saying hi to everybody who's got shovels.
Oh.
You blowing kisses? Aw.
Say good luck, shovelers.
Yeah.
You gonna bury Daddy?